Hello everyone, this is Dinosaur Titan here again with another unboxing from Everything Dinosaur. This is the second last, this is the last parcel of multiple dinosaurs. So basically, we'll get into this. This is from Everything Dinosaur again. I know it's in here, so we'll see what's in here. I'm just using scissors, so be careful with that. I'm just gonna, it's hard to do this with two hands, but just put your hands here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so we've got in here 3 safari figures. The Safari Dracorex, the Safari Sauropelta, which I've actually been wanting to get for a while, and the Safari Vegaceratops. Okay. And then here are the pack sheets. Let's get these guys out of the baggies. That's pretty spiky. That's pretty spiky. Here's the Sauropelta out of the packaging. This guy's bigger than I thought. Like, I knew this guy was big, but I didn't think it was that big. This is the Safari Dracorex. And the final, as far as I know, I don't know if they made it right, but the final Doug Watson Ceratopsian, the Vegaceratops. There we go. Okay, so that has been my unboxing, Everything Dinosaur unboxing, and I'm planning on getting new models very, very soon. Very, very soon. So again, I will see you guys, and I will be doing reviews of these very, very soon. And I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.